A jungle with monkeys swinging from tree to tree. Deep in the jungle, monkeys spend their days swinging from branches and foraging for food. But what if these clever creatures could cook? What kind of meals would they prepare? A monkey using a stick to roast a piece of fruit over a fire. Monkeys have been observed using tools in the wild, so it's not a stretch to imagine them learning how to start a fire and cook their food. A group of monkeys gathered around a pot, stirring and adding ingredients. With their intelligence and dexterity, monkeys could work together to create complex dishes. They might even develop their own unique style of cuisine. A monkey plating a dish and presenting it to another monkey who takes a bite and nods in appreciation. Who knows, with the right training and resources, monkeys could become the next top chefs. Imagine a jungle-to-table restaurant where the head chef is a monkey. A monkey wearing a chef's hat and holding a spoon, with a sign in the background reading Chef Monkey's Kitchen. But for now, we can only imagine the delicious meals that monkeys could cook up. Who knows, maybe one day we'll get to taste them for ourselves. A monkey swinging from a tree, holding a piece of fruit in one hand, and a cooking utensil in the other. Narrator, until then, we'll just have to stick to our own cooking and leave the monkey cuisine to the experts in the jungle. A monkey cracking open a coconut with a rock. The monkey then uses a sharp stick to scrape out the coconut meat. Monkeys are resourceful animals and would likely use whatever tools they have available to prepare their food. In this case, a rock and a stick make for a perfect coconut cracking duo. A monkey fishing with a handmade fishing rod. The monkey successfully catches a fish and happily holds it up to the camera. Monkeys have been known to use tools to catch fish, so it's not hard to imagine them taking their fishing skills to the next level and cooking up a fresh catch. A monkey using a stick to mix and knead dough, as another monkey watches and learns. Monkeys are social animals and would likely share their cooking knowledge and skills with each other. In this case, one monkey is teaching another how to make dough. A monkey using leaves to wrap and steam a piece of fish. Monkeys would likely use natural resources like leaves to cook their food. Here, a monkey is using leaves to create a makeshift steamer for their fish. A monkey using a stick to skewer and grill several pieces of fruit over an open fire. Monkeys would likely get creative with their cooking methods, using skewers and grilling to create delicious and unique dishes.